All right, y'all, so what's up? We out here at Hidden Falls. Y'all know y'all see me out here all the time, but check it out. We're out here for a whole different story. Even got my buddy Scott out here. Y'all see this Jeep in the background. Don't pretend like you don't see it. Nice, right? That's what I thought. So check it out. We out here because, you know, San Antonio 4x4, they got a one-on-one going on today for y'all beginners. Some of y'all just new to this thing because there's a lot of rigs out here, some Jeeps, a couple of Toyotas. Matter of fact, a few Toyotas, I think a Bronco in here somewhere. So there's quite a few rigs. I see a Suburban back there. So there's quite a few rigs out here. They're doing a one-on-one, and Hidden Falls is the place to do it. Why? Because they have everything from mile to mile. That means you can bring your stock vehicle or you can bring your built vehicle, like the JK behind me. You can bring something like his out here, and you can come out here and have a little fun no matter what you're driving. So we're gonna go out here. I'm gonna show y'all some stuff and maybe to encourage one of y'all, some of y'all, to come out and do something, have some fun. And hold up, let me see.
Oh yeah, you gotta show up.
Yeah. Don't pretend like y'all don't see that Toyota in the background. That thing running on propane? Yeah. And it's running on propane. Might have to be my next rig, y'all. Get me one just like, you know what, I used to have an 85. Yeah. I got rid of it, man. I got rid of it for that stupid Honda I bought. That was the biggest mistake ever. But yeah, he's driving that that Toyota back there on that propane. Now watch out. It's gonna be in the video somewhere.
Hopefully we don't break. It's the first time off the trailer.
Oh, don't listen to that. Look at this thing back there. You really think he's gonna break something? Come on, get rid of it. Come on now, stop the kid. So we're gonna go out. They're gonna start lining up. We're gonna get involved. We're gonna see some stuff. Check out some of the rigs.
drive. He lost the drive shaft the other day.
Oh, so he's on the front drive shaft?
Yeah. We're gonna haul in behind the
Oh. Man, you got like 4 other people in there, man. You ain't got nothing to worry about.
Last night we had to get in that box and looking up mail.
Hey, Anna.
You get somewhere, you can get the left wheel, right wheel, front wheel. That see?
Hey, he got stuck on a rock. Yabba dabba do this motherfucker.
What?
Drag it. That's what I'm talking about. And if you ain't dragging nothing, you ain't doing it right. I squeeze by y'all real quick. Oh, I didn't mean to get in front of your video, man. I didn't even see you hanging up there, man. My bad, man. Y'all see this right here? These Jeep Cherokee people standing up over here. Oh, well, wait, I'm standing over here, too.
All right, first tug of the day, I think.
Woo! Get him.
Stick a rock under his tire here.
Jump on the front.
Nope, got it.
Yeah, you can do that, too. But he needs to, if he's going to put the rock under, they kind of want to back up, put the rock up under the front.
Put the rock in the front.
Yeah. Put the rock up front and let him crawl it. There you go. I think he heard me, man.
I need a little tug. All right. I don't have it back.
Look at that. Hey man, you had a little doubt there for a second, man.
Yeah, he was dragging me a little bit.
You moved about a foot.
It'll be off camera, but we'll find it. Yeah. If I keep this thing right there.
back. Bring it back.
Still there.
He ain't disconnect? Oh, he got a really hard.
Jeep's too quiet for me.
What's that?
It's too quiet for me.
That thing right there? Yeah, I can't hear nothing. Now we talking. I literally just said that. Put it up on that sidewall, and then put it back passenger. And then put that tire right over there. No, right here where she's standing. Right there where she's standing, gotta put the passenger tire right over there, and there's like a little ridge right there. And it'll go right up. Now turn it back, driver. There you go. Come straight. Look to the right. The Toyota bailed out. I'm gonna stop talking, man. Forgot this thing is going on YouTube. I want nobody saying I was talking trash about that. Hey, don't go in reverse.
Okay.
I haven't crashed it yet, though.
Except for one time. We had
I got one, didn't
yeah, actually not in a crash.
I? Bad?
Yeah. They weren't
See?
able to fix
Too
it.
easy.
You know the silver Jeep?
Yeah.
Put that on a cracker, dude.
Reed, can you pull my Jeep up?
Still so bad.
Yeah, even over there. If he comes over here, I'm talking trash. He ain't got no reason to be over here. Send it. Stay right. There you go. That's what I'm talking about.
No, I know.
Yeah, he's got it.
So we just report sitting in the backyard.
Oh, you're in this bug.
Let's
pull 'em out.
The chain.
Let's pull him out. Pull me out.
Wait a minute. Hold on.
Girl, get out of the way. You don't spot from in front of it.
I'm doing the valve spotting.
No, you don't. You do it from over here.
Come on. Yeah. Beautiful.
Jackson, stop.
That kid in the back seat. Yeah, right. All right, so that's just the first thing on this little trail. You know, a couple of them had to be pulled. Throw your lockers on. Just give y'all a little glimpse of what they're getting into. Easy trail, nothing to it. Just pick a line. Let's go.